मैं खेलता हूँ।
I play.
मैं नहीं खेलता हूँ।
I do not play.
क्या मैं खेलता हूँ?
Do I play?
क्या मैं नहीं खेलता हूँ?
Do I not play?
मैं क्या खेलता हूँ?
What do I play?
मैं क्या नहीं खेलता हूँ?
What do I not play?
आप खेलते हैं।
You play?
आप नहीं खेलते
You
हैं।
do not play.
क्या आप खेलते हैं?
Do you play?
क्या आप नहीं खेलते
Do
हैं?
you not play?
आप क्या खेलते हैं?
What do you play?
आप क्या नहीं खेलते
What
हैं?
do you not play?
हम खेलते हैं।
We play?
हम नहीं खेलते
We
हैं।
do not play.
क्या हम खेलते हैं?
Do we play?
क्या हम नहीं खेलते हैं?
Do we not play?
हम क्या खेलते हैं?
What do we play?
हम क्या नहीं खेलते
What
हैं?
do we not play?
वे खेलते हैं।
They play?
वे नहीं खेलते
They
हैं।
do not play.
क्या वे खेलते हैं?
Do they play?
क्या वे नहीं खेलते हैं?
Do they not play?
वे क्या खेलते हैं?
What do they play?
वे क्या नहीं खेलते
What
हैं?
do they not play?
वह खेलता है।
He plays?
वह नहीं खेलता
He
है।
does not play.
क्या वह खेलता है?
Does he play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलता
Does he
है?
not play?
वह क्या खेलता है?
What does he play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलता
What
है?
does he not play?
वह खेलती है।
He plays? She plays?
वह नहीं खेलती है।
She does not play.
क्या वह खेलती है?
Does she play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलती है?
Does she not play?
वह क्या खेलती है?
What does she play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलती
What
है?
does she not play?
मैं खेल रहा हूँ।
I am playing.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा
I am
हूँ।
not playing.
क्या मैं खेल रहा हूँ?
Am I playing?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल
Am
रहा
I
हूँ?
not playing?
मैं क्या खेल रहा हूँ?
What am I playing?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल रहा हूँ?
What am I not playing?
आप खेल रहे हैं।
You are playing.
आप नहीं खेल रहे
You
हैं।
are not playing.
क्या आप खेल रहे हैं?
Are you playing?
क्या आप नहीं खेल
Are
रहे
you not
हैं?
playing?
आप क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What are you playing?
आप क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What
हैं?
are you not playing?
हम खेल रहे हैं।
We are playing.
हम नहीं खेल रहे
We
हैं।
are not playing.
क्या हम खेल रहे हैं?
Are we playing?
क्या हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Are we not playing?
हम क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What are we playing?
हम क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What
हैं?
are we not playing?
वे खेल रहे हैं।
They are playing.
वे नहीं खेल रहे
They
हैं।
are not playing.
क्या वे खेल रहे हैं?
Are they playing?
क्या वे नहीं खेल रहे
Are
हैं?
they not playing?
वे क्या खेल रहे हैं?
What are they playing?
वे क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे
are they not playing?
हैं? वह खेल रहा है।
He is playing.
वह नहीं खेल रहा है।
He is not playing.
क्या वह खेल रहा है?
Is he playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रहा
Is he
है?
not playing?
वह क्या कर रहा है?
What is he playing?
वो क्या नहीं
What
कर रहा है?
is he not playing?
वह खेल रही है।
She is playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही
She
है।
is not playing.
क्या वह खेल रही है?
Is she playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रही है?
Is she not playing?
वह क्या कर रही है?
What is she playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रही
What
है?
is she not playing?
मैं खेल चुका हूँ।
I have played. I have played.
मैं नहीं खेल चुका
I have
हूँ।
not played.
क्या मैं खेल चुका हूँ?
Have I played?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल चुका
Have I
हूँ?
not played?
मैं क्या खेल चुका हूँ?
What have I played?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल चुका हूँ?
What have I not played?
आप खेल चुके हैं।
You play. You have played.
आप नहीं खेल चुके हैं।
You have not played.
क्या आप खेल चुके हैं?
Have you played?
क्या आप नहीं खेल चुके हैं?
Have you not played?
आप क्या खेल चुके हैं?
What have you played?
आप क्या नहीं खेल चुके हैं?
What have you not played?
हम खेल चुके हैं।
We have played.
हम नहीं खेल चुके
We
हैं।
have not played.
क्या हम खेल चुके हैं?
Have we played?
क्या हम नहीं खेल चुके हैं?
Have we not
हम
played?
क्या खेल चुके हैं?
What have we played?
हम क्या नहीं खेल चुके हैं?
What have we not played?
वे खेल चुके हैं।
They have played.
वे नहीं खेल चुके
They
हैं।
have not played.
क्या वे खेल चुके हैं?
What have they played?
क्या वे नहीं खेल चुके हैं?
Have they not played?
वे क्या खेल चुके हैं?
What have they played?
वे क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुके
have
हैं?
they not played?
वह खेल चुका है।
He has played.
वह नहीं खेल चुका है।
He has not played.
क्या वह खेल चुका है?
Has he played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुका
Has he
है?
not played?
वह क्या खेल चुका है?
What has he played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल चुका
What
है?
has he not played?
वह खेल चुकी है।
She has played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी
She
है।
has not
क्या
played.
वह खेल चुकी है?
Has she played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुकी
Has she
है?
not played?
वह क्या खेल चुकी है?
What has she played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल चुकी है?
What has she not played?
मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ।
I have playing since morning.
I have been.
I have been playing since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ।
I have not been playing since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ?
Have I been playing since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ?
Have I not been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रहा हूँ?
What have I been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा हूँ?
What have I not been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
You have been playing since morning.
आप सुबह से नहीं खेल
You
रहे हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या आप सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
Have you been playing since morning?
क्या आप सुबह से नहीं खेल
Have
रहे हैं?
you not been playing since
आप
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रहे हैं?
What have you been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या नहीं
What
खेल रहे
have you not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
They have been playing since morning.
वे सुबह से नहीं खेल
They
रहे हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
Have they playing since morning?
Have they been?
Have they been playing since morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Have they not been playing since
वे
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर
What
रहे हैं?
have they been playing since
वे
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
What have they not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे हैं।
We have been playing since morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं
We
खेल रहे हैं।
have not been playing since morning.
क्या हम सुबह से खेल रहे हैं?
Have we been playing since morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
Have we not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या कर रहे हैं?
What have we been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे हैं?
What have we not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रहा है।
He have been playing.
He has.
He has been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा है।
He has not been playing since morning.
क्या वो सुबह से खेल रहा है?
Has he been playing since morning?
क्या वो सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा है?
Has he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या कर रहा है?
What has he been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
है?
has he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रही है।
She has been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही
She
है।
has not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही है?
Has she been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही है?
Has she not been playing since
वह
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रही है?
What has she been? What has she been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रही
What has she not been playing since morning?
है? मैं खेलता था।
I played.
प्लेड।
I played.
मैं नहीं खेलता था।
I did not play.
क्या मैं खेलता था?
Did I play?
क्या मैं नहीं खेलता
Did I
था?
not play?
मैं क्या खेलता था?
What did I play?
मैं क्या नहीं खेलता
What
था?
did I not play?
आप खेलते थे?
You played.
आप नहीं खेलते थे?
You did not play.
क्या आप खेलते थे?
Did you play?
क्या आप नहीं खेलते
Did
थे?
you not play?
आप क्या खेलते थे?
What did you play?
आप क्या नहीं खेलते
What
थे?
did you not play?
हम खेलते थे?
We played.
हम नहीं खेलते
We
थे?
did not play.
क्या हम खेलते थे?
Did we play?
क्या हम नहीं खेलते
Did
थे?
we not play?
हम क्या खेलते
What
थे?
did we play?
हम क्या नहीं खेलते
What
थे?
did we not play?
वे खेलते थे?
They played.
वे नहीं खेलते
They
थे?
did not play.
क्या वो खेलते थे? Did
Did they play?
क्या वे नहीं खेलते
Did
थे?
they not play?
वे क्या खेलते
What
थे?
did they play?
वे क्या नहीं
What
खेलते थे?
did they not play?
वह खेलता था?
He played.
वह नहीं खेलता था?
He did not play.
क्या वो खेलता था?
Did he play?
क्या वो नहीं
Did
खेलता
he
था?
not play?
वह क्या खेलता
What
था?
did he play?
वह क्या नहीं
What
खेलता
did he not play?
वह खेलती थी?
She played.
वह नहीं खेलती थी?
She did not play.
क्या वो खेलती थी?
Did she play?
क्या वो नहीं
Did
खेलती
she
थी?
not play?
वह क्या खेलती
What
थी?
did she play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलती
What
थी?
did she not play?
मैं खेल रहा था?
I was playing.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा
I
था?
was not playing.
क्या मैं खेल रहा
Was
था?
I playing?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल
Was
रहा
I
था?
not playing?
मैं क्या खेल रहा था?
What was I playing?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What was I not playing?
आप खेल रहे थे?
You were playing.
आप नहीं खेल रहे
You
थे?
were not playing.
क्या आप खेल रहे
Are
थे?
you playing?
Were you playing?
Were you playing?
क्या आप नहीं खेल
Were
रहे
you
थे?
not playing?
आप क्या खेल रहे
What
थे?
were you playing?
आप क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What
थे?
were you not playing?
हम खेल रहे थे?
We were playing.
हम नहीं खेल रहे थे?
We were not playing.
क्या हम खेल रहे थे?
Were we playing?
क्या हम नहीं खेल
Were
रहे
we
थे?
not playing?
हम क्या खेल
What
रहे थे?
were we playing?
हम क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे थे?
were we not playing?
वे खेल रहे थे?
They were playing.
वे नहीं खेल
They
रहे
were
थे?
not playing.
क्या वे खेल रहे थे?
Were they playing?
क्या वे नहीं खेल
Were
रहे
they
थे?
not playing?
वे क्या खेल रहे
What
थे?
were they playing?
वे क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What
थे?
were they not playing?
वह खेल रहा था?
He was playing.
वह नहीं खेल रहा
He
था?
was not playing.
क्या वह खेल रहा था?
Was he playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रहा
Was he
था?
not playing?
वह क्या खेल रहा था?
What was he playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
था?
was he not playing?
वह खेल रही थी?
She was playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही
She
थी?
was not playing.
क्या वह खेल रही थी?
Was she playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रही
Was
थी?
she not playing?
वह क्या खेल रही थी?
What was she playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रही थी?
What was she not playing?
मैं खेल चुका था?
I had played.
मैं नहीं खेल चुका
I had
था?
not played.
क्या मैं खेल चुका था?
Had I played?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल चुका
Had I
था?
not played?
मैं क्या खेल चुका
What
था?
had I played?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल चुका
What
था?
had I not played?
आप खेल चुके थे?
You had played.
आप नहीं खेल चुके
You
थे?
had not played.
क्या आप खेल चुके थे?
What had you played?
क्या आप खेल चुके थे? Had you played?
Had you played?
क्या आप नहीं खेल चुके
Had
थे?
you not played?
आप क्या खेल चुके
What
थे?
had you played?
आप क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुके थे?
had you not played?
हम खेल चुके थे?
We had played.
हम नहीं खेल चुके
We
थे?
had not played.
क्या हम खेल चुके थे?
We had we played?
क्या हम नहीं खेल चुके
Had
थे?
we not played?
हम क्या खेल चुके
What
थे?
had you played?
हम क्या नहीं खेल चुके थे?
What had we not played?
वे खेल चुके थे?
They had played.
वे नहीं खेल
They
चुके
had
थे?
not
क्या
played.
वे खेल चुके थे?
Had they played?
क्या वे नहीं खेल चुके
Had
थे?
they not played?
वे क्या खेल चुके
What
थे?
had they
वे
played?
क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुके
had they not played?
थे? वह खेल चुका था?
He had played.
वह नहीं खेल चुका था?
He had not played.
क्या वो खेल चुका था?
Had he played?
क्या वो नहीं खेल चुका
Had he
था?
not played?
वह क्या खेल चुका
What
था?
had he played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल चुका
What
था?
had he not played?
वह खेल चुकी थी?
She had played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी
She
थी?
had not played.
क्या वो खेल चुकी थी?
Had she played?
क्या वो नहीं खेल चुकी
Had
थी?
she not played?
वह क्या खेल चुकी
What
थी?
had she played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुकी
had she not played?
मैं सुबह से खेल रहा था?
I had been playing since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल
I
रहा
had
था?
not been playing since
क्या
morning.
मैं सुबह से खेल रहा था?
Had I been playing since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल
Had
रहा
I
था?
not been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या खेल
What
रहा
had
था?
I been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
था?
had I not been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
You had been playing since morning.
आप सुबह से नहीं
You
खेल
had
रहे
not been playing since morning.
क्या आप सुबह से खेल रहे
Had
थे?
you been playing since morning?
क्या आप सुबह से नहीं खेल
Had
रहे थे?
had you not been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या खेल रहे थे?
What had you been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या
What
खेल रहे
had you not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
We had been playing since morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं
We
खेले
had not been playing since morning.
क्या हम सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
Had we been playing since morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे थे?
Had we not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या खेल रहे थे?
What had we been playing since
हम
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What had we not been playing since morning?
थे? वे सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
They had been playing since morning.
वे सुबह से नहीं खेल
They
रहे
had
थे?
not been playing since
क्या
morning.
वे सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
Had they been playing since morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे थे?
Had they not been playing since
वे
morning?
सुबह से क्या खेल रहे थे?
What had they been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से क्या
What
नहीं
had
खेल
they
रहे
not been playing since morning?
थे? वह सुबह से खेल रहा था?
He had been playing since morning.
वो सुबह से नहीं
He
खेला
had
था?
not been playing since
क्या वो
morning.
सुबह से खेल रहा था?
Had he been playing since morning?
क्या वो सुबह से नहीं
Had he
खेला
not been playing since
वह
morning?
सुबह से क्या खेल रहा था?
What had he been playing since morning?
वो सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
था?
had he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रही थी?
She had been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल
She
रही
had
थी?
not been playing since morning.
क्या वो सुबह से खेल रही थी?
Had she been playing since morning?
क्या वो सुबह से नहीं खेल
Had
रही
she
थी?
not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रही
What
थी?
had she been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल
What
रही थी?
had she not been playing since morning?
मैं खेलूंगा?
I will play.
मैं नहीं
I will
खेलूंगा?
not play.
क्या मैं
Will
खेलूंगा?
I play?
क्या मैं नहीं खेलूंगा?
Will I not play?
मैं क्या खेलूंगा?
What will I play?
मैं क्या नहीं
What
खेलूंगा?
will I not play?
आप खेलेंगे?
You will play.
आप नहीं
You
खेलेंगे?
will not play.
क्या आप खेलेंगे?
Will you play?
क्या आप नहीं खेलेंगे?
Will you not play?
आप क्या खेलेंगे?
What will you play?
आप क्या नहीं
What
खेलेंगे?
will you not play?
हम खेलेंगे?
We will play.
हम नहीं खेलेंगे?
We will not play.
क्या हम खेलेंगे?
Will we play?
क्या हम नहीं खेलेंगे?
Will we not play?
हम क्या खेलेंगे?
What will we play?
हम क्या नहीं खेलेंगे?
What will we not play?
वे खेलेंगे।
They will play.
वे नहीं खेलेंगे।
They will not play.
क्या वे खेलेंगे?
Will they play?
क्या वे नहीं
Will
खेलेंगे?
they not play?
वे क्या खेलेंगे?
What will they play?
वे क्या नहीं
What will
खेलेंगे?
they not play?
वह खेलेगा।
He will play.
वह नहीं खेलेगा।
He will not play.
क्या वह खेलेगा?
Will he play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलेगा?
Will he not play?
वह क्या खेलेगा?
What will he play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलेगा?
What will he play? What will he not play?
वह खेलेगी।
She will play.
वह नहीं खेलेगी।
She will not play.
क्या वह खेलेगी?
Will she play?
क्या वह नहीं
Will
खेलेगी?
she not play?
वह क्या खेलेगी?
What will she play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलेगी?
What will she not play?
मैं खेल रहा हूँगा।
I will be playing.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा।
I will not be playing.
क्या मैं खेल रहा हूँगा?
Will I be playing?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा?
Will I not be playing?
मैं क्या खेल रहा हूँगा?
What will I be playing?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What will I not be playing?
आप खेल रहे होंगे।
You will be playing.
आप नहीं खेल रहे होंगे।
You will not be playing.
क्या आप खेल रहे होंगे?
Will you be playing?
क्या आप नहीं खेल रहे
Will
होंगे?
you not be playing?
आप क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will you be playing?
आप क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे
will you not be playing?
हम खेल रहे होंगे।
We will be
हम
playing.
नहीं खेल रहे होंगे।
We will not be playing.
क्या हम खेल रहे होंगे?
Will we be playing?
क्या हम नहीं खेल रहे
Will
होंगे?
we not be playing?
हम क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will we be playing?
हम क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What
होंगे?
will we not be playing?
वे खेल रहे होंगे।
They will be playing.
वे नहीं खेल रहे
They
होंगे।
will not be playing.
क्या वे खेल रहे होंगे?
Will they playing? Will we be playing?
Will they be?
Will they we be playing?
Will they be playing?
Will they be playing?
क्या वे नहीं खेल रहे होंगे?
Will they not be playing?
वे क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will they be playing?
वे क्या नहीं खेल रहे
What will they not be playing?
होंगे? वह खेल रहा होगा।
He will be playing.
वह नहीं खेल रहा होगा।
He will not be playing.
क्या वह खेल रहा होगा?
Will he be playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रहा होगा?
Will he not be playing?
वह क्या कर रहा होगा?
What will he be playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
होगा?
will he not be playing?
वह खेल रही होगी।
She will be playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही
She
होगी।
will not be playing.
क्या वह खेल रही होगी?
Will she be playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रही
Will
होगी?
she not be playing?
वह क्या कर रही होगी?
What will she be playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रही
What
होगी?
will she not be playing?
मैं खेल चुका हूँगा।
I will have played.
मैं नहीं खेल चुका हूँगा।
I will not have played.
क्या मैं खेल चुका हूँगा?
Will I have played?
क्या मैं नहीं खेल चुका हूँगा?
Will I not have played?
मैं क्या खेल चुका हूँगा?
What will I have played?
मैं क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुका हूँगा?
will I not have played?
आप खेल चुके होंगे।
You will have played.
आप नहीं खेल चुके
You
होंगे।
will not have played.
क्या आप खेल चुके होंगे?
Will you have played?
क्या आप नहीं खेल चुके
Will
होंगे?
you not have
आप क्या
played?
खेल चुके होंगे?
What will you have played?
आप क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुके
will you not have played?
हम खेल चुके होंगे।
We will be play. We will have played.
हम नहीं खेल चुके
We
होंगे।
will not have played.
क्या हम खेल चुके होंगे?
Will we have played?
क्या हम नहीं खेल चुके होंगे?
Will we not have played?
हम क्या खेल चुके
What
होंगे?
will have played?
वी
What will we have played?
हम क्या नहीं खेल चुके
What
होंगे?
will we not have played?
वे खेल चुके होंगे।
They will have played.
वे नहीं खेल
They
चुके
will
होंगे।
not have played.
क्या वे खेल चुके होंगे?
Will they have played?
क्या वे नहीं खेल चुके
Will
होंगे?
they not have played?
वे क्या खेल चुके होंगे?
What will they have played?
वे क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुके होंगे?
will they not have played?
वह खेल चुका होगा।
He will have played.
वह नहीं खेल चुका
He
होगा।
will not have played.
क्या वह खेल चुका होगा?
Will have played.
Will he have?
Will he have played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुका होगा?
Will he not have played?
वह क्या खेल चुका होगा?
What will he have played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल
What
चुका होगा?
will he not have played?
वह खेल चुकी होगी।
She will have played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी
She
होगी।
will not have played.
क्या वह खेल चुकी होगी?
Will she have played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुकी
Will
होगी?
she not have
वह
played?
क्या खेल चुकी
What
होगी?
will she have played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल चुकी
What
होगी?
will she not have played?
मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ।
I have been.
I will have been।
I will have been playing since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ।
I will not have been playing since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ?
Will I have been playing since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं खेल
Will
रहा
I
हूँ?
not have been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रहा हूँ?
What will I have been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा हूँ?
What will I not have been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे।
We will have been playing since morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे होंगे।
We will not have been playing since morning.
क्या हम सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे?
Will we have been playing since morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे
We
होंगे?
will have.
Will
not. We will not.
Will be।
Will we not have been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will we have been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या नहीं
What
कर रहे
will we not have been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे।
They will have been playing since
वे
morning.
सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे होंगे।
They will not have been playing since morning.
क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे
Will
होंगे?
they have been playing since morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं खेल
Will
रहे
they
होंगे?
not have been playing since
वे
morning?
सुबह से क्या खेल रहे होंगे?
What will they have been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे होंगे?
will they not have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रहा होगा।
He will be playing. He will have been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा
He
होगा।
will not have been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रहा होगा?
Will have.
Will he have?
Will he have been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रहा होगा?
Will he have not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रहा होगा?
What will he have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रहा
What
होगा?
will he not have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रही होगी।
She will have been playing since
वह
morning.
सुबह से नहीं खेल रही
She
होगी।
will not have been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही होगी?
Will she have been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल
Will
रही
she
होगी?
not have been playing since
वह
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रही होगी?
What will she have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रही
What
होगी?
will she not have been playing since morning?